Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 30th of April 2017 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 28th of April. Gold fell in US dollar terms last week by $16 from $1,284 to $1,268. Having hit a high of $1,284 and a low of $1,261. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £980. That's down £36. And in euros, it closed at €1,163. That's down €34 on the week. Silver fell 70 cents from $17.93 to $17.23, having reached a high of $18.01 and a low of $17.20. In sterling terms, it closed at £13.33. That's down 87 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 18.81 euros. That's down 0.90 euros. The gold to silver ratio rose from 71.61 to 1 to 73.59 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 20,940, down 40 points on the day, but up 393 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,047, down 1 point on the day, but up 137 points on the week. Brent crude rose 9 cents to $50.05, and US light crude fell 29 cents to $49.33. The dollar index stands at 99.05. That's down 0.92 on the week. Gold started the week by falling to a 2-week low on Monday, after the results of France's presidential election first-round vote showed Le Pen in second place. However, the weaker US dollar, continued geopolitical concerns, uncertainty over Trump's policy, and worries about a possible US government shutdown managed to prevent prices falling further. Gold was also pressured by a sharp rise in US equity markets, which rose as corporate earnings showed sustained improvement. At present, the main support for gold is the weaker dollar and concerns over North Korea, both of which may cause gold to rise slightly this coming week. However, should these fears abate, then one can expect gold to test the 1240 level and possibly even lower. However, our political sources tell us that President Trump intends to make a mark, and it's not all bluster, so let's just wait and see. Silver attempted a rally but found $18 too difficult to breach for long. The trend at the moment is downwards, though there is considerable support at the $17 level, and most certainly at or around the $16.50 level. We have managed to purchase another kilogram of scrap silver this week at exactly spot prices, as we see a maximum downside of $2 or £1.50 an ounce at current levels, and are very confident about prices rising over the medium to long term. We cannot rule out that President Trump will do all that he can to weaken the dollar. As to accomplish his jobs program, he needs to boost exports. But this comes at a price, with the Fed battling en route, as it's afraid of inflation. We are now slowly accumulating, but again only at the right price. So there is no hurry yet. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also, kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated daily, can be found at facebook.com/illuminatisilver. Disclaimer. Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice and merely represent the personal views of its owners.